How to change to dark mode in Reddit. If you have been using the Reddit application and wondering on how to change to dark mode on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Reddit application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to change to dark mode, tap on to your profile icon at the top, just right here. Select it. Then here you can find settings, just right here, tap on it. Then here you can find the settings options. Now scroll down and here you can find the dark mode, just right here. Now select it. Now to turn it on, tap on to this button right here, tap on it. And now you can see the dark mode has been added. And that's it. This is how you can change the theme to dark mode in the Reddit. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.